Hello, my name's Carrie, and the owners of this house wanted some way to water the plants next to the house, but the problem was there was no access to the current sprinkler system. But there was access to a tap on the side of the house. So what we decided to do was to add a faucet timer onto the tap on the side of the building, and that way we could water the plants next to the house. This is an orbit faucet timer, and so the first thing I will do is go ahead and attach the timer to the faucet coming out of the house. Once I have the fitting tightened, what I will do is open a tap. This puts water to the timer and just check and make sure I don't have any leaks. Next, I will take a 3/4 inch hose bib vacuum breaker, and what this fitting will do is prevent water from this little sprinkler circuit from going back through the timer and into the house. Next, I'm going to add a 3/4 inch hose thread pressure reducer. This will take the pressure that's coming out of the house and reduce it down to around 30-35 pounds pressure. So far all of my connections have been hose thread, but here I'm going to transition from hose thread to iron pipe size. And this fitting is a 3/4 inch female hose thread by 1/2 inch iron pipe size fitting. On the end of this brass hose fitting, I'm going to attach a 1/2 inch IPS by 20 inches long braided line that is flexible. On the other end of the line, what I have done is attached a funny pipe barb adapter, and that way I can just shove a piece of funny pipe onto the fitting and run it up along the house and connect my heads to this funny pipe. I've already run the funny pipe along the house and connected the heads, so after I get this fitting tightened, all I need to do is program the timer. If you'd like more information on how to program one of these orbit faucet timers, I've made a video that you can watch on my YouTube channel on how to program this timer. The owners want to water at 6 in the morning, so I'm going to set the start time at 6 in the morning, and they want to water once a day, so I will go to the set days option, and instead of 12 hours I will just set it at 1 day. So this timer is now set up to water once a day at 6 in the morning. Next, I will manually start the timer, and I do this because I want to check all of the connections that I've made and the adjustment of the sprinkler heads. If you press the manual start button, it is preset to water for 10 minutes, but you can adjust this to water any amount of time that you want. And after the timer waters a manual cycle, it will return to the main program. So everything is working great. I have no leaks in the connections from the timer, and all I need to do now is a little bit of fine tuning on the adjustment of the rotors. So that concludes this video on how to install a faucet timer. If you would like to see more of my videos, please visit my YouTube channel, iScaper1.